Hello students, let us continue with the 7.3 exercise. Its question number 3 is how many 3-digit even number can be made by using the digit 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 7. Now students, here we have to form a 3-digit number, right? 3-digit number we have to form. So here I am going to tell you this question with the help of the figure. This is students, we will fill the 3-digit numbers here. So once again, this is the unit place, this is unit digit, this is at the tens place, this is at the hundred place. Now student, the notable point is there, because here the very important thing that is given to you, even number we have to form, right? So here in the question be having 2, 4 and 6. These are the even numbers are there. Means at the unit place, if we have to form any number, we have to select any one, that is 2, 4 or 6 from here. भाई हमें यहाँ पे बच्चों 3-digit नंबर बनाने के लिए जो हमारा यूनिट प्लेस के ऊपर है, आइदर यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 आना चाहिए, 4 आना चाहिए या 6 आना चाहिए. इसका मतलब इस यूनिट प्लेस को फिल करने के लिए हमारे पास कितने वेज हो गए? इसको फिल करने के लिए हमारे पास 3 वेज हो गए बच्चों, राइट? अब बात रह गई इन दो की, क्योंकि अगर आप इन 2, 4 और 6 में से इसमें मान लो कोई भी एक नंबर, जैसे मैंने 2 फिल कर दिया तो 2 हमारे पास बच गए, 4 और 6 दे कैन बी हेयर आल्सो और एनी अदर नंबर फ्रॉम देयर. इसका मतलब अगर हमने यूनिट प्लेस के ऊपर एक नंबर जो है वो फिल कर दिया तो बाकी जो हमारे पास बच्चों ये जो डाटा रह गया वो 5 रह गया हमारे पास, और हमें फिल कितने प्लेसेस के ऊपर करने हैं? 2 प्लेसेस के ऊपर. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं 5p2, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ here we can write it as 3-digit even number, 3-digit even number. How many ways are there? That is equal to, you know students, there are the 3 ways. 3 multiplied by 5p2 means this is equal to 3 into 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 3 into 5 factorial upon, there is also this is 3 factorial. So we can say that 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial will cancel out with 3 factorials. So students, there will be, how many ways are there? There are 60 ways are there. There are 60 ways to form the 3-digit number for this question. Let us come with the question number 5, students. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one position? So here students, there is the committee of 8 persons, means here what you will say that the data that is given you as 8, but the total number of the person is equal to 8 is there. So here we can say that if I will write NPR, so N that will come as equal to 8 here students, and from 8 person we have to select the 2 persons there, means the number of the base, required number of base that will come as equal to total number of the person are 8 students. We are making the use of permutation here, and we have to select the 2 from there. So what you will get? It will come as 8 factorial upon 8 minus 2 factorial. So that is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon here it is 6 factorial. So it will cancel out students. 8 7s are 56. So 56 will be your answer for this question. Very simple question this is. So with the help of the permutation we can solve these questions very easily students. Students, see your question number 6. Find n if this is n minus 1 p 3 ratio NP4, that is 1:9. So we have to find out the value of n for this question, students. So how you will do this question, let us see. This is n minus 1 here, n minus 1 factorial, this is the solution of this question, upon, here we will use the formula n minus r, that is n minus r minus 3 factorial. They are in the ratio, students, so upon n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, this is equal to 1/9 now. So this is here, this is n minus 1 factorial, this is n minus 4 factorial upon n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial here, students, that is equal to 1/9. So n minus 4 factorial will cut out with the n minus 4 factorial. Now we are left with n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial, this is equal to 1/9 here, students. So we can write it now, that is n minus 1 factorial. We can write this n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial, right, students, and that will come as equal to 1/9. Now n factorial minus 1, n factorial minus 1 will cancel out, and we are left with 1/n, that is equal to 1/9, or by cross multiplying we will get n as equal to 9, students. So this n is equal to 9 is the solution of this question.